We're good.
Faster?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No, no, okay. Yeah.
Second time, guys. I'm shaking.
Huh? I've never been on this before. So it's scary. Man, I saw like videos of passing out. Huh?
Even crazier operating.
Oh my god! Oh my god. We're good. Oh my god, this is so good. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. Welcome to Florida, baby. Look at the view. Look at the bridge. Is that what we crossed over? Yeah. Look at the beach. Oh shit. He tricked us. He's not talking about it. Yeah. I knew it. I was preparing myself. I knew he was going to. I just didn't know. Oh my god. This is a W ride, guys. W ride. Let me give us these videos. Woo! My feet are cold. Guys, you know what beats my stuff? If you could like send me the video. We got to. Like this is so good. Did we get the video today? Yeah. I want to see her react. Look at the Ferrari. Recommend going on this ride. No, I actually thought I was gonna pass out, but it's actually fun. So good, so good. Y'all need to go on this. You do. No, it's actually fun. Like it's you don't feel it. Way better. Second time's way better. Yeah. That was so fun. You should go on it with Juan. I was scared. It's fine. This is like my favorite.